We are making old-fashioned boiled chocolate fudge from the United States. It serves 12 people and takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes from start to finish. Let us get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 cups of granulated sugar. This is the backbone that sets the fudge. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. This brings deep chocolate flavor. 1/2 cup of whole milk. This smooths the cocoa and sugar. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cut into pieces. Butter gives the fudge a silky finish. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. It rounds out the chocolate flavor. 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt. Just enough to balance the sweetness. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Line an 8-inch square metal pan with parchment, leave an overhang on 2 sides, and lightly butter the parchment. In a medium heavy-bottom stainless steel saucepan, whisk together 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder until the mixture is smooth with no lumps. Add 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt, then stir until the dry mixture is completely moistened. Add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter in pieces and place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir constantly until the butter melts and the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture becomes smooth, about 3 to 5 minutes. Clip a candy thermometer to the pan. Bring it to a steady boil, then stop stirring. Cook without stirring until the mixture reaches 234 to 238 degrees Fahrenheit, about 5 to 8 minutes. Turn off the heat and remove the saucepan from the burner. Do not stir. Let it cool undisturbed until the thermometer reads 110 degrees Fahrenheit, about 20 to 30 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the cooled syrup. Beat vigorously with a wooden spoon until the mixture thickens, turns matte, and just begins to lose its gloss, about 3 to 5 minutes. Immediately pour the fudge into the prepared pan. Do not scrape any sugary crystals from the sides of the pan. Smooth the top with a spatula. Let the fudge set at room temperature until firm, about 2 hours. Lift the fudge from the pan using the parchment overhang. Trim the edges if you like, then cut into 1-inch squares with a warm sharp knife, wiping the blade between cuts. Arrange the pieces on a plate for serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at cool room temperature for up to 1 week. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this classic fudge, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe.